Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel here. Listen, I want to get all this out of the way. If you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell, make sure it's checked and you get notified about all that stuff and da-da-da. But listen, I want to say really quickly, if you've tried to start a business, an online business before, and you failed because it cost way too much money to maintain, it cost way too much time to get into setting everything up, I'm with you. I was there. I tried it several times through several different things. And it cost hundreds of dollars to maintain the email responders and the capture pages and sales funnels and all of that crap. It took tons of time to set it up, and it cost hundreds of dollars to do it. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't maintain it. But then I came across this opportunity with my econ as an affiliate, where if you join through the funnel team, if you join through me, you get access to the same stuff that I did. You get an absolutely free front-end marketing system where we maintain all of that stuff for you, and it doesn't cost you anything at all to do it, right? This system includes free capture pages, free email responders, free sales funnels, free marketing materials, everything that you need to have an online business and be successful. The whole back end side of the business is managed by my econ. They track all of your sales. They send all of your commission checks to you by direct deposit every single Friday. And all of your reports and everything are all set up in a nice little back office page. I go through all of this in a playlist on my YouTube channel here. You can check out step by step for free how I make money online with this system and how I guarantee that you do too. I'm one of the top earners, one of the top recruiters with this affiliate system. So I'm going to share my sales with you to make sure that you don't give up on yourself and you're successful with this system. That's how bad I want you to be successful, just like I am. I was just like you, had no idea how to make money online, had no idea what to do at one point, but I got started and now I'm successful with it. And I can make you that too. All you got to do is be willing to get started and not give up on yourself. And I promise I won't give up on you either. So what I want you to do is check out that playlist. Make sure you hit the subscribe button here for me. That would really help me out. Hit the like button here. And check out that playlist. You need to check out that playlist. Watch those videos all the way through. You can speed them up if you want to. I try to talk a little slow so I don't leave anybody behind. But you can speed them up if you want to. But get through those videos and watch them all from beginning to end. So you know what this is all about, because I'm telling you, you don't want to pass this up. You want to get involved right now. That way, you're not coming in on the back end and you're getting ahead of everybody else. So check it out because it's starting to blow up huge. Go to grabbustlink.com. You can view the overview video that I have there that explains everything, and you can view my page that explains absolutely every cost that's involved with it, and you can get started. But check it out. If you have any questions, my phone number is right there. You can text me at any time. We can talk. We can chat. We can go out to lunch if you want to, if you're in Western PA anyways. But I'll see you guys out there.